Do you know you can add your name, contact details, or phone number to your lock screen so that when it gets missing and someone finds it, the person can return it to you? Let me show you how to do it. Go to settings and tap on it. Scroll down to where you see lock screen. Tap on lock screen. Scroll down and find contact information or owner information. There we have contact information. Tap on it. Now over here, you will put your detail, either your name, phone number, or email address, so that when your phone gets missing, if someone finds it, they can get in touch with you. So I'm going to tap and put, so I'm going to insert contact detail, which is email address. I advise you keep it simple, right? Make it short. Okay, so I'll tap on the done. So let's go to lock screen. There it is. I advise that you make it simple and perhaps put a reward so that someone will be motivated to return your phone. If this video helped you, subscribe and share to others.